Here's a quick tutorial on how to comb out your locks. My locks have been in my hair for 3 years and I am taking them out, and this is a little of what I'm using and how I am going about combing them out of my hair. So I basically just put all of the liquid ingredients minus the conditioner in a cup. This is a baby's cup that my baby no longer uses because she's not a baby anymore. I do this so that my hair can be as moist, as slippery, as oily as it can possibly be, so that it allows for more slip when I am trying to comb out my locks. Here's just a look at some of what I have already done so that you can kind of see my progress, and I am going to show you exactly what I do. So I saturate the hair. This is a continuous spray bottle. I saturate my hair with water. There is some aloe juice in there as well. And then I dunk my lock in the oil, glycerin, aloe juice mixture that we put together. And I am going to saturate that entire thing. You're going to see how soaked it is. Ugh. You can tell by my face, I am not happy with that. So after that, you're going to add your conditioner from root to end, focusing on the ends because that is where you're going to start. And now we're going to begin to unravel these locks. So mine weren't all the way locked at the end. They were still a little curly, so I have that working for me. It's almost like I have a little head start, but I am gently detangling or unraveling any kinks, any knots that I see throughout this video. You're going to see me switch combs a lot. This is a baby hair comb, and I like to use it at the beginning because it's just smaller, it's easier for me to fit in my hand. I find that the sharper your rat tail is at the end, the better results you're going to get. Some of my combs are blunt and they do not work very well, so just keep that in mind. There is definitely going to be some breakage as my hair has been wrapped up and uncombed for 3 years, so I definitely expect it, but I am being as easy as I can as not to cause any extra breakage and extra damage. And here you go, you see I'm switching to another comb that I like. This is a metal rat tail comb. It seems to have a more pointy edge than my other comb, so I like to use that either when I'm getting to the thicker side of my lock or if I come across a knot. I just want to let you know that this is actually not sped up. This is me doing it in real time. There is a portion of this video that will be sped up just because I don't want you sitting here for 20 minutes watching me undo a lock. This is real time. Again, it is tedious. It takes me about anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes depending on the length of the lock, depending on how many kinks and knots it has in the lock. It all really just depends. You can tell my arms were getting tired here. This is definitely a labor of love. And if I didn't have such a big head, I probably literally would just cut these off, but I just can't see myself doing it. So I have to go this route. Okay, so this part is definitely sped up, and it seems that I am at a part where it looks like I'm making some good leeway. I just want to stop it and remind you, if ever you get stuck, if ever you feel like your hair is just too dry, spray, spray, spray. It is going to help slick that hair, make it slippery, and make it easier for you to comb it out. Also, don't be scared to put some more conditioner on there. I do that as well. So again, whatever comb works for you, whatever method works for you, just try. I also twist and kind of tug at the lock a little bit, because if you know how locks are formed, they are palm rolled. So if you think about when you're getting your hair palm rolled, then think about doing the opposite. So I'm basically like turning my hair in like maybe like a counterclockwise motion if your locks were done in a clockwise motion, if that makes sense. So I'm turning it in the opposite direction every now and again so that I could kind of get those strands, and I pull it a little bit too, just to loosen up the lock a little bit so that it makes it a little easier. And we are pretty much done our lock. We have this little tiny section left in here. And also, if you look at my roots, it's not really locked up there either. So just this little section here to go. I'm going to use some water, spray up in there. There is a little knot in there, so I'm just going to have to work through that. But other than that, this is success. So we're just going to keep up the momentum. We're going to keep it nice and gentle. We're not going to rush just because we're almost at the end, even though, I just can't wait to get this over with. But nonetheless, we're still going. If you've made it this far into the video, I want to thank you for watching my journey. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks again, and I hope this helps someone who wants to comb their locks out.